Yes, I know you had fun on your previous activity. Activity was about observing a GIF or GIF being sent to our teachers my co-teachers. And this time we'll be having another activity. So the activity called the pull and the stop. The pull and the stop. So in doing the activity, we'll be needing materials. We'll be using those materials in conducting the activity. Okay? So first material, we'll be needing a ball. A little ball. In your house, if you haven't seen any balls, then it's okay. We can make, or it's not appropriate to make a ball like this since it cannot roll. It does not roll. It has a rough texture, so it don't go straight or it don't slide. Same as this, it's literally a ball. Okay, a ball. We need a ball. So my ball is a cute ball. Next, we will be needing a coin, a rolling object. I know every one of you there at your houses have a coin, or even 1 peso or 5 peso will do, or even 25 centavos can do. So we already have 2 objects or a material. So third thing that we will be needing is a ramp. Do you know what ramp is? Okay, I'll show you an example of what ramp is. So this is ramp. An example of ramp. It is something that is slant, where we can roll our object here. So if you don't have any ramp there in your house, you can make your own ramp. I'll show you my ramp. I created a little ramp here in our house. I'll show you. A second. So this is my ramp, a slant. Okay. So in making my ramp, I only need a cartoon and a scotch tape, and also something that is higher from the ground. Okay, and I make that one. So as you can see, it's slant where I can roll the object. Example, the ball. I can roll my ball there. And the next material will be the surface. There are 2 types of surface, right? First surface is a smooth surface. So I will be utilizing this area as my smooth surface. And for my rough surface, since I don't have any rough surface here, I will be making one. So I'll get a little of a sand or a bus. We have sand here, and I will put it inside our house where I can use that one as my surface, rough surface. Okay, so and doing the activity, we will be only needing a ball, a coin, a ramp, a surface, 2 surfaces, which is the smooth and the rough surface. So in this activity, we have 2 parts. First part and second part. So in first part, we need ball, a ramp. Yeah, that only the things that we will be needing. So there are 3 steps on doing the first part. So first, you need a ball, right? The ball, you need to place it on the top of the ramp. Top of the ramp. Don't worry, I will be demonstrating it to you. But first, I will be instructing or telling you the steps that we will be doing on how we will be doing the activity. So first step, you will place the ball at the top of the ramp. Okay? The second step is release the ball without exerting a force. So for example, this is your ramp. Top of your ramp. This will be the place that you're going to put your ball. Okay? First step, put the ball on the top of the ramp. Second step, release the ball without exerting a force. So I will release the ball in 1, 2, 3, go. Again. 1, 2, 3, go. Like that. It will go like that. That's only an example, and don't worry, I will be demonstrating it to you. Okay? So that will be the steps on how we will be doing the first activity or the first part of the activity. Okay? This time I will show you on how to do the first part. Okay? For a second. So, class, this is my ramp. Okay? A slant area. And we will be doing the activity. So the first step again is put the ball on the top of the ramp. Hold it. Don't release it yet. Hold it. And for the second step, release the ball without exerting a force. I will release the ball in 1, 2, 3, go. Right. Again, I will do it again. I'll get the ball. Okay. Hold. First, put the ball on the top of the ramp. Second, release the ball without exerting a force. In 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, we're done doing the activity, the first part of the activity. So yes, that is how we are going to execute the first activity. So we're done doing the first activity. This time, after doing the first activity, what can you observe? So teacher had provided a form where you can see the questions and answer the questions. So click the link provided so that you can answer and submit your answer. What can you observe after doing the activity? Okay? Okay. We are down to our next part of the activity, which is the part 2. So, we're here at our second part of the activity. And the second part will be, we will be needing a coin. And again, a ramp and a smooth surface and also a rough surface. Okay. So, this time, I will be demonstrating you on how, or I will be demonstrating you the steps, or I will be telling you the steps on how we're going to do or execute the activity. So first step, you have the coin and a ramp. Same as part 1, we will be putting the coin at the top of the ramp. And after it slides down to the ramp, you must have a soft surface, okay? First, you have first you must have a soft surface. After the ramp, a smooth surface. You must have a smooth surface. Okay. Yes, first step is put the coin at the top of the ramp and let it slide onto the until it goes down onto the smooth surface. Okay? For the second step, we will be doing the same thing, but this time after the coin roll into the ramp, it must go onto the rough surface. So in your ramp, you can divide or half the ramp into two, where in the first side you will have a smooth surface and the second side you will have a rough surface, because we will be comparing these two on how did the coin roll. Did the coin roll continuously, or did the coin stop rolling until it travels, or until it travels go into the rough surface, or like that? I will be demonstrating it to you. So first, I will recall it again. We will recall it first. First step is put the coin at the top of the ramp and let it roll until it go into the soft surface. For the second step, we'll be needing a rough surface, okay? This time, we will be putting again the coin and let it roll until it goes into the rough surface. And for the third part, you will compare. But before comparing, I will be demonstrating you exactly on how we will be going to doing the activity. Okay? Wait for a second. So this time, I will be demonstrating you on how we are going to do the part 2. So this is my ramp again, and I have it. I divide it into two. So I have here the rough area, the rough surface, and I have the smooth surface area. So first thing, we will be doing the smooth surface. Okay? The first step again, put the coin at the top of the ramp and let it roll until it travels to the smooth area. I will release it in 3, 2, 1. Oh, wait. So, as you can see, we're here at the top of the ramp. We will be letting the coin roll until it reaches into the soft area. In 3, 2, 1. In 3, 2, 1. Go! Oh, have you seen that? I roll. Yeah, it travels so far. As you can see, I will be doing the same thing again, so that you can observe what happened when I roll it into soft area. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, yeah, it travels on the soft area and it travels so far. Wait, I'll show you where it goes. From here, it travels until there. It stops at the wall. So when we don't have a wall here, it still continues to travel so far. So here's our coin. It travels so far. Right? This time we will be doing the raft area. I will roll the coin here at the rough area. In 3, 2, 1. Yeah, as you can see, we put here and we let it roll here in the rough area, and we will check where went the coin after traveling here at the rough area. Okay, I'll show you where is the coin right now. So again, here is around the rough area, and here's our coin. Our coin is right here, and the rough area is there, the rough. Yes. So we're done doing the second part of the activity. That's it for our part 2 of the activity. After doing the activity, I really had fun doing the activity. As you can see, teachers sweat. I am sweating. I had fun doing the activity and hope you so. I hope you also had fun doing the activity at your home. So this time, after doing the part 2 activity, there will be another or in the same link provided, there are questions. Your observation after doing the activity. What can you observe when the coin is being rolled into a smooth area? What can you observe when you roll the coin into a rough area? Like that, like not that the same questions, but that way. So, thank you so much. I hope that you had fun, and I really had fun, and I hope that I had helped you on how is activity being done. And we are now proceeding to the next part.